Top Kitchen Backsplash Trends for 2025. 2025 is redefining the kitchen backsplash like never before. Say goodbye to boring subway tiles. Your kitchen backsplash is about to get a major glow-up. This year, bold colors are dominating the kitchen backsplash scene. Deep greens, terracotta tones, and rich navy blues are heating up the kitchen backsplash palette. Forget blending in, your kitchen backsplash should pop. Textured tiles are stealing the spotlight in modern kitchen backsplash designs. Think fluted, scalloped, and 3D patterns that give your kitchen serious character. Marble remains a luxury staple, but now it's all about veined, high-drama marble for your backsplash. Backsplash slabs that extend from countertop to ceiling are taking over minimalist kitchens. In 2025, your kitchen backsplash isn't just functional, it's a statement piece. Metallics are back, and they're bolder. Brushed brass and antique copper backsplash tiles are hot. The kitchen backsplash is doubling as a light reflector, adding warmth and shimmer to your space. Recycled glass tiles are trending for the eco-conscious kitchen backsplash. Sustainability meets style with backsplashes made from repurposed ceramic and stone. Expect to see more terrazzo used creatively in kitchen backsplash design. Handmade and artisanal tiles bring soul and uniqueness to any kitchen backsplash. No two handcrafted kitchen backsplash tiles are the same, and that's the beauty. Zellige tiles continue to dominate the rustic modern kitchen backsplash look. These Moroccan-inspired tiles add charm with their imperfect glaze and texture. Geometric patterns are making the kitchen backsplash into modern art. Think herringbone, hexagons, and chevrons that demand attention. The kitchen backsplash is no longer confined. Wrap it around windows and range hoods. Designers are using continuous backsplash designs to visually expand small kitchens. If you want to add luxury, mirror backsplash panels are trending again in 2025. They bounce light, create depth, and give your kitchen backsplash a futuristic twist. Matte finishes are replacing glossy looks for a softer, more contemporary backsplash. But don't worry, high contrast grout is still in. Your kitchen backsplash can still have edge. Patterned porcelain tiles are giving kitchens a retro backsplash vibe with a modern spin. Digital printing has brought stunning visuals to the kitchen backsplash game. Love the look of wood or concrete? You can now get it in backsplash form. Smart tiles with heat and moisture sensors are emerging in tech-forward kitchens. The backsplash is becoming interactive, responsive, and smarter than ever. Backlit backsplash panels are being used to set the kitchen's mood and tone. These LED-lit backsplashes create ambience and illuminate your workspaces. Don't underestimate grout. It's becoming a design choice for your kitchen backsplash. Colored or metallic grout adds that unexpected flair to an otherwise simple backsplash. In 2025, personal expression is key. Your kitchen backsplash should reflect you. Mix and match tiles, materials, and layouts for a truly custom kitchen backsplash. Even minimalist kitchens are using bold backsplashes to break the monotony. Vertical stacking of tiles is another sleek twist in backsplash layout trends. Homeowners are treating the kitchen backsplash as an evolving design experiment. No more safe choices. The kitchen backsplash is where you take creative risks. For resale value, a stylish backsplash can give your kitchen a high-end edge. Remember, the right kitchen backsplash isn't just trendy, it's timeless when done right. Whether you're remodeling or starting fresh, your kitchen backsplash should inspire. Let 2025 be the year your kitchen backsplash stops playing it safe and starts turning heads.